मैडम तुम्हाला मैं नहीं सकता.
There are more breaking updates coming in. The Maharashtra Board of Disability Welfare Chief has ordered a thorough probe into the Pooja Khedkar case, saying a case should be registered immediately. If found guilty, the board also says that a case should also not just be registered against Pooja Khedkar, but all those who aided her in the alleged fake disability certificate case. My colleague Arunil is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, trouble only seems to be mounting for Pooja Khedkar.
Well, likely more trouble for Pooja Khedkar because this is the chief of Maharashtra State Disability Welfare Board, which basically has directed an immediate probe in the entire case, saying that it should be investigated. All these allegations that are coming to the fore, the investigations that have been done till now, these are alarming. And if Pooja Khedkar is found guilty, a case should be immediately registered against her. Not only Pooja Khedkar, but all those who were acting in connivance with Pooja Khedkar, all those officers, action should be taken against them as well. A massive times now impact. We have basically highlighted major such lapses that have come to the fore with respect to the disability certificates that have been that were produced by Pooja Khedkar. In fact, how she approached as many as 3 hospitals for those disability certificates. Now the Maharashtra government has finally acted. The disability board has ordered a thorough probe and said that case should be immediately registered.
Right, Arunil, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll continue coming back to you for those updates because remember, it's not just Pooja Khedkar. Her entire family is in the dock. While her father has been accused of backing her, her mother was seen threatening a farmer with a gun. But clearly that wasn't a one-off incident. There's another video now from right outside the Khedkar residence. This video that we're going to play out for you is from 2022 and shows Pooja's mother threatening metro workers. And why? Because she's upset over the metro work outside her house and calls it a disturbance. Take a look at her arrogant behavior.
दांड्यान कुराड्यान घेऊन येताय मला काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं ते माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय ते माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलो तर तुम्ही साहेबांना भेटायला लावून जायचं दांड्यान कुराड्यान घेऊन येताय मला काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं ते माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय ते माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलो तर तुम्ही
Well,